My name is Bukola and I was trafficked by my husband for labor for 2 years. What had happened was I came here to work as a journalist. So I came for the United Nations 60th anniversary and General Assembly for my newspaper organization. But before then, I had been married traditionally. I thought I was going to be living with my husband and practicing my profession as a journalist, but instead, I was working and braiding hair, and it was taking the money. He isolated me and abused me physically, emotionally, and psychologically. So sometimes I was working up to 14 hours a day and I only eat one time a day. I felt like I was in slavery. I felt like I was just being used up like a material. When I was pregnant, I went to the clinic. When I was coming into the appointment, I didn't have any physical mark on me because most of the abuse was emotional and psychological. Sometimes I went to the clinic earlier than the time of my appointment. I wanted to be free for a while before I go back to my punishment zone. And really, when I got back home, my suffering continued. But luckily, there was a public health nurse who used to come to visit me. And each time she came, she worked with me for over a year. Before I opened up to her, I told her what I was going through. And she opened her bag and brought out an orange card. And on that orange card, there was a list of resources. And she underlined Alexandra House. And she said, call them now and go. So I took my baby diaper bag and took the baby and only the clothes on both of us. And that was my freedom day, and I remember to celebrate that day. I wish someone could have told me that earlier and said, this is information and you could go and they'll be willing to help you. So I'm grateful today that I have a non-profit organization that I now use to serve victims and survivors, being the good citizen in the community and doing the best I can to make my life better and make the lives of others better.